I am not a data point
to be bought and sold.
I am not a threat.
Why are my baby pictures under surveillance?
My identity is mine.
You don't own it.
I'm a citizen who lives in the world.
And on the web.
I need rights.
Rights I can understand.
I need technology I can trust.
From people who respect me. I'm grateful for what you've given the world.
I'm scared how powerful you've become.
Remember to put me first. Balance commercial profit
and public benefit.
Keep the web free and open. Give me the tools I need
to build the future I dream.
The internet is our largest shared resource.
Let's take care of it. There's never been a better time. Brought to you by Firefox. Powered by the people of Mozilla.